Let's start with Mixamo, a fantastic Adobe site for anyone working with 3D characters. Here, you'll find a vast selection of pre-rigged models, and most importantly, a huge library of mocap animations. The coolest thing? It's completely free, and you can upload your own 3D models to apply the site's animations. If you're interested, let me know in the comments, and I can make a dedicated tutorial for you. Cgtrader. This is 3D model heaven. It's the world's largest marketplace, where you can find millions of ready-to-use assets created by professional artists. Need a photorealistic car, a character for your video game, or a file to 3D print? It's all here, in any format you need. The only downside is that most of the models are paid, but they do have a huge number of free ones. Now, let's move on to Sketchfab.com. This is probably the best site for high-quality free 3D models. You can find everything here and more. Downloadable models have a small icon that opens a menu where you can choose the format. Blendswap is perfect for us Blender users. Here you'll find free models and scenes ready for Blender. I particularly recommend it to animators looking for ready-to-use rigs. And you can find some great stuff there. 3D Sky is the ideal site when you need to furnish your scenes. Sofas, figurines, coffee tables, everything you need to fill a space. There's also a good section of free models. Check them out. Turbosquid is a good 3D model site. There's a free section, but the models are usually low quality. Sort of. Although you can occasionally find gems. It's the go-to site if you're looking for top-quality 3D models for professional projects. And finally, it's not a marketplace, but an AI that I consider revolutionary. Meta SAM 3D. It's an amazing artificial intelligence from Meta that works magic. You give it a normal 2D photo, and it generates a 3D model of the object or person in just a few seconds. It's the future of augmented reality content or quick prototypes, without wasting hours modeling from scratch. Thanks for watching the video. Unfortunately, no one paid me to recommend these sites, so this is the best there is on the net. If you know of any other sites, please let me know in the comments. I'll include them in the next video.